So we take a moment to close our outer eyes and welcome in this time of meditation. Just breathing this moment into being. Fully relaxing, fully coming home to the silence within. So we take a deep community breath. And as we exhale, we consciously release any tension, known or unknown to us. With a full heart, we welcome in this time of quiet, this time where we give ourselves full permission to step apart for a while. There's no right or a wrong way. There's no thing to do. We simply, breath by breath, moment by moment, move into a deepened experience of what it is to simply be in this moment, to be in this moment without resistance, to be in this moment beyond thought, to allow our feelings to just float by like clouds. And continually return to the breath. Trusting that this time of slowing down and stepping apart creates space in the mind, space for healing, space for love, space for the light that is present to enter into our conscious minds, illuminating our awareness as we breathe this moment into being. In the silence. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. Always available as light, illumination, love, spiritual substance, wisdom. There is no thing that can be done or thought that would make us unworthy of this light. This light is freely given and has no opposite. It is everywhere present and in infinite supply. So we breathe into the spiritual dimension of the awakened consciousness, allowing the fullness of our being to awaken, to respond, to renew. And so it is.